Your customer's vehicle may be rusty and trusty, but you don't want the brakes to be crusty and corroded. We're going to talk about it next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
You could be in Florida, you could be in Alaska, but eventually you're going to have to deal with a rusty car. When you're inspecting this vehicle, pay special attention to the brakes. You do not want corrosion on the brake pads, rotors, calipers, or other hardware that could impede the function of the brake pads. When this happens, well, it's a safety issue. In particular, the brake lines. If they get corrosion on them, they are very susceptible to break and cause a rupture and a hydraulic failure, which can typically result in a crash. But when you're looking at the brake pads and brake caliper, pay special attention because this is a performance issue. If there's any delamination of the brake pad, you'll see stuff like this where the brake friction material has come up from the backing plate. This is a failure for the vehicle. Also, look at the calipers, look at the hardware. Pay attention to the back side of the rotor because typically that's where corrosion is. So make sure you're inspecting the brake system before you replace parts or you get that vehicle in for maintenance. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.